Hi friends, here the question is, a bag contains 5 green balls and 3 red balls. If 2 balls are drawn from the bag randomly with replacement, find the probability distribution of the number of green balls drawn. Here we have to draw the balls from the bag with replacement. So here we use binomial distribution. So we have to find out binomial distribution formula to find out the probability distribution. The binomial distribution formula is P of x equal to ncx into p raised to x into 1 minus p whole raised to n minus x, where n is the number of trials, x is the number of success, p is the probability of success. Here, number of trials is number of times a ball drawn. Here, 2 balls are drawn at a time. Therefore, n equal to 2. P is the probability of success. That is, P is the probability of drawing a green ball. Probability of an event is calculated as number of favorable event divided by total number of events here. Number of favorable event is the number of green balls drawn. Divided by total number of events is the total number of balls. Equal to number of green balls is 5 divided by total number of balls is 5 plus 3 is 8 equal to 0.625. So we get n equal to 2 and p equal to 0.625. Then the binomial distribution formula is P of x equal to 2cx into 0.625 raised to x into 1 minus 0.625 raised to 2 minus x equal to 2cx into 0.625 raised to x into 1 minus 0.625 is 0.375 raised to 2 minus x. Now, we have to find out the probability distribution of the number of green balls drawn. Thus, let x be the number of green balls drawn. Here, there are 2 balls are drawn. Then x has the values 0, 1 and 2. Now, we have to find out P of x equal to 0 equal to 2C0 into 0.625 raised to 0 into 0.375 raised to 2 minus 0 equal to 2C0 is 1 into 0.625 raised to 0 into 0.375 square equal to 0.14065. Now, P of x equal to 1 equal to 2C1 into 0.625 raised to 1 into 0.375 raised to 2 minus 1 equal to 2C1 is 2 into 0.625 into 0.375 raised to 2 minus 1 is 0.375 equal to 0.46875. At last, P of x equal to 2 equal to 2C2 into 0.625 square into 0.375 raised to 2 minus 2. 2C2 is 1 into 0.625 square is 0.39065 into 0.375 raised to 0 is 1 equal to 0.39065. Then the probability distribution of the number of green balls drawn is P of x, x and P of x. X as values 0, 1 and 2. When x is 0, P of x is 0.14625. When x is 1, P of x equal to 1 is 0.46875. When x equal to 2, P of x is 0.39065. Thank you.